Hey YouTube, we are at Rausch Creek and we are about to take the Gladiator up this little bump, so to speak, and continue down the trail ride that we're doing. This is the Father's Day 2020 monthly trail ride hosted by Offroad Consulting.
I'm gonna go over. I just didn't get lined up.
40-point turn of the Gladiator. I'm about halfway up, I'm gonna walk back.
No problems. Hey YouTube, so we just did a cool little hill climb. It's where it says Area 51 on the map. I don't actually know if this trail is Area 51. I don't think it is. I think Area 51 is this blue looking trail on the map. I'm not really 100% sure. But anyway, it's like where the A is in Area 51, and it's a green connector trail that goes between Area 51 and Jurassic Park. And I'll put a link or whatever in one of these two corners. I never can remember which corner it will show up in. And I'll put the map up or whatever so you can see it. But yeah, it was kind of a cool little muddy little climb that we did with a Gladiator, no problems. And we will see you guys around. Hey YouTube, we just came off Jurassic Park. There was a little up and down that had us slightly concerned that the breakover angle wouldn't be enough on the Gladiator to get over it. And actually, no problems. Like nothing touched, nothing scraped. Like it was all nice and cool. I am turning my wheels at the top of every hill just to get a little bit of angle, so then I don't go straight over, and that will help out a little bit with high centering or like preventing it by having like one wheel on the obstacle while the other one kind of goes over the obstacle, to get you just a little bit farther over it. I don't know if that trick is actually doing anything for me, but that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to mindfully always have like a little bit of angle when I go over these like steeper, larger obstacles. And I think it's a good thing to do. I know like definitely it's something you do like when you go over like logs and stuff. But I'm trying to use the same principle on these large flip overs. And if you didn't hear that, radio in the background. The new CB radio is like kicking ass. Like it seems way louder, and like people can hear me when I talk on it. So yeah, I'm happy with the new radio. So I'll do a little review of that. I'll add that onto the other video when I do that. So thanks. Please like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, so what just happened, I don't know if you noticed, is we have this system of honking basically. It's something that some people do, some people don't. But if you're gonna do it, like, make sure the whole group knows about it. And the system that we're using is basically, if somebody honks their horn twice, it means that they're having a problem and everybody should stop and figure out, like, you know, like what's going on. And the reason why we have that system in place is because not everybody with us has CB radios. So essentially, what you just heard is somebody honk twice, but it was near the back of the group, so maybe the leader didn't hear it. So I said on the CB, hey, you know, I heard 2 honks, and then the people in back confirmed that, like, what was going on. So the leader stopped, everything was fine. It was just like a branch in a skip plate or something, it sounded like, something minor. And then they did whatever they had to do, and then it got fixed. And then, you know, everybody started moving forward again. We got all together, and, you know, we used the right radios. So basically, it's a means to make it so, you know, you can communicate with people that don't have CBs, basically, that are in your group. And you don't use 1 honk because sometimes people will mistakenly hit the horn. So you use like the 2 honks. You hit it twice. So anyway, you probably just heard it if the video caught it. Hopefully the video caught it with audio. I don't know. And I just wanted to explain it on camera real quick so people would know, like, what that is and what it's for, and maybe they adopt it in their groups if they are doing groups like that they're leading or something where they don't have like CBs with everybody. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Hey YouTube, so we are headed up the K Trail to do a couple of scenic pictures and everything. Anyway, so it seems like going up the K Trail is a little bit more interesting than going down it, but it's still like a gravel road with a section of it kind of washed out with some bigger rocks. When I say bigger, they're less than basketball size or maybe softball size. But yeah, I think up is more interesting than down. So anyway, we will see you around.